Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted my last video. I know I really miss doing YouTube, making videos, creating content. So I'm back. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you can follow me there. It's Mariya Marinova, my name. I'm really consistent there. I'm posting almost every single day. If you want to know what I'm doing on a daily basis, what I am busy with, you can follow me there and be up to date. But now, today, right now, we are doing first impressions video. I love doing this for you and it seems that you like them as well. I waited like 2 days, literally 2 days, and not unbox these these, just to be able to record my first impressions for you. And today it's time. We have a little bit of sun coming through the clouds because it has been super rainy, super not summery these days. The last week was just rain, and I'm like, I want summer. It's July. It's like 10th of July and it's raining. It's 16 degrees Celsius outside. It's cold, rainy. See, now the sun is coming. I have the window in front of me and that's why I chose to film this video today, because of the weather. Because yesterday I was like, okay, I will film today, but it was super dark outside. But yeah, today's day we are doing first impressions / demo of the Kora Organics. Finally, I'm trying the Kora Organics products. I've been following Miranda Kerr for years, like more than 10 years or so. I'm so impressed by her routine, skincare, beauty, fashion, healthy eating style. She's really an inspiration. And I remember when she launched her skincare line, Kora Organics, back in like 2000 something, not sure. And I was really curious to try the products, so on. So today we're doing this. It's in the morning. I just washed my face. I have no product on my face. Also, I chopped up my hair. If you're following me on Instagram, you saw that like last week I did it. And I ordered small sizes, just a nice set where I can try the products. And if I like them, I will order the big sizes. So we have this Get the Noni Glow set. Another nice product, which I watched a couple of reviews of YouTubers raving about this one. This is the Noni Glow Face Balm. So there's small sizes, like I said. So we have, but they're so pretty. This is the mask, exfoliating mask, and I think we should start with this one. Then we got the Noni Glow Face Oil, which looks like this. Nice bottle, nice packaging. Created with love by Miranda Kerr. Apply a few drops over the face, neck and décolleté. Okay, and I love the detail. Not sure if you can see it, but there is a really cute small heart Nice packaging, nice detail. Also, you may also hear my dog who is snoring over there. He's super sleepy. And last but not least, we got this Noni Radiant Eye Oil, which looks like this. Directions: massage into damp skin while avoiding eye area. Leave on for 5 to 15 minutes. Remove with water and in circular motions to exfoliate. The packaging I love. Straight out of, it smells like toothpaste. Somehow. Oops. Let's try. Ooh. Yeah. So there's some really fine parts, chunks for the exfoliation. Oh, it smells super fresh, also like minty. But this is the turmeric ingredient for sure. So I've been watching also her, Miranda, using this one in a lot of videos, and she's not leaving the mask for long. Just she's also saying that she's using it under in the shower. Always with scrub exfoliating, you need to be really gentle. Probably I will get some redness, but yeah, don't be really rough with massaging. Look at my hair. But yeah, she's using it. She's saying that she's using the mask every day. But with these masks, usually you're supposed to do that 2 to 3 times in a week. I'll show you closely. I'm back and I'll zoom in so you can be able to see a little bit better. So I got some glow, like I said, some redness here, but overall my face feels really fresh and clean, exfoliated, and super soft as well. So far I like it. Of course this is just first impression video, so I'll use it a couple more times, let's say for 2 weeks, and I'll comment below or leave a comment or say something in the description of the video how I like it after using it for a while. Let's move on to the face oil, and I'm really excited about it. This was my first thing on my wish list, the oil, the Noni Glow. So you apply a few drops over the face, neck, and here how it looks like again. Shake it. Oh. It smells really fruity. Couple drops. Okay, like 4 drops. Let's see if we need more. The face oil I've been using for the last 2 years was the one from Kiehl's, the lavender, the all night repair, and I love it. But I wanted to try some new product, so Miranda says that she's using this oil in the morning, also in the evening, so it's not that oily, like my hands aren't that oily, because with the Kiehl's one, with a small amount they are getting really oily, but this is not the case with this one. Interesting. Here we go, we have the face oil. It's like a roller, so you gently roll under eye area. Here's the packaging. Let's zoom in. Not sure how much. Oh my, I have some dark circles. Okay, done. And last product is this one, the Noni Glow Face Balm. Let's open it. It smells similar to the face oil because it's like the Noni Glow scent. Let's apply some for you. Zoom you. Let's try like here. So it's like a moisturizer. I suppose I needed to put it before the oil, but I forgot about it. Nice balmy texture. So it's really practical, I suppose, when you're outside and you're not wearing makeup and your skin is feeling extra dry, or you're on the airplane, or yeah, and you just want some boost of hydration for your skin. This is a nice product to use, or just a really quick moisturizer in the morning. Nice. So this is my skin after using the Noni Glow products, also the mask, the exfoliating mask, the beginning, and then the oil and the balm and the eye oil. I think so far I like them. Also, I like the scent. It's not that strong and it's not bothering me that much. Like, I'm okay with the scent. Also, comment below which is your favorite Kora Organics product. If you have tried something from her line, let me know in the comments which is your favorite one. I'm curious to know, and also maybe I can try it and test it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.